guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to mention Aishwarya Salvi. So thank you so much for commenting on my videos. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a very easy DIY hair mask which will provide your hair extreme shine and it will also nourish your hair. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So this is how my hair is looking before applying the hair mask. So you can see that it is looking so frizzy. So yeah, let's make our DIY hair mask. So to make this DIY hair mask, you will require curd, also known as dahi. Then I have taken 1 egg. Then I am using this vitamin E capsules which are easily available in any medical store. Then I am taking this coconut hair oil. Now we'll start mixing all the ingredients. So first I have taken 4 tablespoons of dahi and then I will add this 1 egg into it. So you can extract the egg yolk if you want. If you do not want the smell, you can only use egg white in that case. Next I am taking 2 capsules of this vitamin E and adding this oil to the mixture. Then I am taking 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil and then I will mix all the ingredients together. So you can add or subtract the quantity of the ingredients depending upon your hair length and volume. So now that our DIY hair mask is ready, let's see how to apply this. So first wear something old which you do not use on a daily basis because this hair mask really gets very messy. After that I am just parting my hair and you can see that my ends are so dried and it looks lightless. So now that I have prepared the DIY hair mask, then I will take small quantities each time and start rubbing it in my scalp. Take small sections so that you can cover your whole scalp nicely. So first only concentrate this mixture in your scalp and massage it. So the ingredients which we have used in this hair mask is really very beneficial. Starting with yogurt or dahi which we have used in this hair mask is a rich source of protein. It also triggers hair growth, makes our hair healthy, removes dandruff and it also acts as a natural conditioner. Then we have added egg into this mask which helps to tame frizz. It adds shine to your hair, softens and moisturizes your hair and it also contains protein. Then we have added vitamin E capsules which improves blood flow in the scalp, stops hair loss and also ensures a healthy scalp. And lastly we have added coconut oil which we all know that it is so beneficial to our hair that it treats scalp problem. It also deep conditions our hair, promotes hair growth and also it tones dry hair. So after you have applied the whole mixture into your scalp, then nicely and gently massage your scalp with this mixture so that this mask could be easily absorbed in your scalp. Then you can apply this mixture on the length of your hair. Make sure you apply it thoroughly on your length so that you can achieve that desired shine and that softness to your hair. And I'm also concentrating this mixture on my ends because my ends are really very damaged. So after applying this whole mixture, I will massage my scalp with this hair mask for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that it could help in absorbing the mask very easily. So after applying the hair mask, I will tie this up in a bun and then keep this hair mask like this for about 1 to 1.5 hours. So now 1 hour is complete. As you can see that this mask has dried. So now I will wash it using only shampoo. Do not condition it because this hair mask acts as a natural conditioner. So this is how my hair is looking after I have washed it. So guys, can you see that this hair mask has made my hair so soft in just one use, and my ends are also looking so healthy and frizz free. This hair mask has also added this extreme shine to my hair, which you can totally notice in just one use. So you can apply this hair mask twice in a week and you will really see good results and all your hair problems will be solved. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.